Hey, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to the video. Today we are making the objective text work. This is a part 2 out of 2, so if you missed the first video then you should go watch it or else this will not work. First you are going to want to add a handsome guy. Now add a part. This will be how close the player will need to be to complete the task. You can make this as big or as small as you want. Turn off cast shadow. Turn off can't collide and make it invisible. Now name it to whatever you made your objective to be. Add a script into the part and write what I write. Set this to your next objective that you want the player to complete. And now let's click play and see if it works. It works. That's it for this video. If you have any suggestions on what to do next, comment down below and I'll do it.